Good morning, everybody. You are with James Unlimited. It's early morning here in Bangalore. I'm busy with my cup of coffee, not tea. And I just suddenly had this thought that I really, really wanted to share with you. I'm really tired physically and a bit in the mind. But you know what? This morning when I woke up, I took my time to get out of bed. And then when I woke up, I just felt so good, so good, so good. I'm feeling terrible at some level, but I felt so good. And I guess that is what life is all about. Um, there may be dichotomies. It's hypocritical at some level. But I guess all that I'm trying to tell you is even in the worst of moments, there is something about the human spirit that keeps it going on and on and on. I don't know what it is. It is, I guess, the human spirit of wanting to be, wanting to do, wanting to feel good, wanting to keep going, wanting to maybe challenge oneself, be creative while dealing with challenges. Um, or maybe it is the team spirit. Or maybe it's the Diwali spirit catching up with me. I know these are difficult times for people in lots of parts of the world. There is a lot of strife, violence, the pandemic, deprivation, hunger, poverty. My issues don't matter sometimes, but they matter to me. And actually, at times they don't matter to me also because James wants to be beyond her issues and problems. It's not that I'm trying to overcome these and I'm asking you to overcome your troubles, your trials and tribulations. What I'm trying to tell you is you are not your troubles. Don't let the issues of your life define you, confine you. You are much more. You are much more than that. So give that to yourself. Pack in a punch. You have just one life to live. वो कहते हैं ना कि धरती पे अगर स्वर्ग है तो हम ही नस्तो हम ही नस्तो हम ही नस्तो यही है यही है यही है I'll repeat something that I shared with you months ago. वक्त की कैद में जिंदगी है मगर चंद घड़ियां यही हैं जो आज़ाद हैं. You think your time, your commitments, your responsibilities, your troubles are limiting you. They may be limiting your self-expression. They may be limiting the way you want to lead your life. But this is all that you have. Within these limitations, within these constraints, this is the breath that you have. These are the moments that you have. I'm not asking you to make the most of them. I'm just telling you this is all. This is all that you have. And this is all that you have. You need to decide what you want to do about it. Because trust me when I say there is so much you can do about it. Happy Sunday with all my heart. Love you.